Hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn with me. So today I am back with a new video guys. So if you are new to my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel, please make a subscribe and please press the bell icon guys. So I am going to give a giveaway also as soon as possible. So please press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification faster. Okay. So coming back to the matter, so let's go to Trust Wallet. So how to stake POSI tokens in Trust Wallet? Let's see. So as you can see, the price of position token has pumped so much that it is 112 rupees per coin. Maximum all of you got like 0.97 or 1.97 or 2 or 5 or 10. So let's see how to stake position token and how to earn passive income from it. Okay, so let's go to dApps. So after going to dApps, you need to search for Pancake Swap. Okay. So as many coins you hold in position token, so you must provide liquidity for that. For that you need a pair of BNB POSI token or BUSD POSI token. So firstly, you can see swap and liquidity. You need to click on liquidity. After clicking on liquidity, you need to find your tokens. Okay. So add liquidity. So you need to select a currency. So it's BUSD and POSI token. So if I have one token, you need to max the POSI token guys. You need to max the POSI token and you need to approve the transaction. As I have already approved it, I cannot show you right now, but what will be the profit and everything will be shown right now. Okay guys. So firstly you need to convert the amount of POSI tokens into BUSD so that you can provide the liquidity pair. So you need to approve here and you need to press on supply. The fees would be around $0.6 guys. 0.6 to $0.65 here. So it is a one-time investment guys. You can earn passive income from this. After that what we have to do, you need to go to position.exchange. So this is the main site of position guys. So position exchange, this is the main site. After getting into this position page, you need to click on the three dots on the left side. So you need to click on farming. So firstly you need to approve the transaction, which would be costing around 10 rupees I think so. So around 2 to 3 hours back I have liquidity, I have provided liquidity in this for $5.70 guys. So $1.9 in POSI tokens and $2 or something like that in BUSD. So after providing liquidity, you need to click on approve here also. You need to click on supply. After clicking supply, you would be showing a notification that you need to pay some fees like 120, so like $1.5 or something like that. If you provide liquidity, you can earn more income. So I will just show you how my friends earn passive income from these guys. Just firstly, whenever I see a staking process, I trust my friends more than this guys. So I will show the proofs of my friends so that you would be very clear. So if you can see, I have told my friend that you need to liquidity in POSI. So he has invested around $230 and he has already got $127 in a week. So look at the profit guys. No matter you have one POSI or two POSI or three POSI, whatever the amount of POSI you are holding, you can directly stake it into the position exchange. Okay, so just follow my process guys, do not waste time. So this is the another friend. So he provided liquidity for $3.30. So he has already earned around 3.5 POSI tokens guys. So it is huge guys, do not miss this offer. You can see here he provided a liquidity of $76 and he had earned more than $83 guys. So I request you to stake your position tokens and forget about it. So you need around $2 to $3 for the staking process, but if you stake once, do not unstake until it reaches $5 or $10, so that you would be getting position tokens every week, every month, every year. So don't miss these updates, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.